had to go and leave that job site, leave the job. So I'm gonna keep it real with you, man. This situation has taught me a whole lot. Like, I didn't know this. North California, people from Northern California, white boys that's working, that's got a job, ironworkers, they are fucking asshole pricks, boy. I'm telling you, to the fucking 10th power. You know what I'm saying? Woo, man, boy. Somebody should have warned me, but it's all good. It's all good. I didn't come out here to kiss nobody's ass, man. I don't do none of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm a grown ass man. I don't kiss ass and I don't suck dick. None of that. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean? They can keep that shit. You know what I mean? I just had to check one for getting that sideways. And I was like, you know what, man? I'm going to go on and grab my shit and go on and get up out of here, man. Because I see this ain't going to work out. Honestly, they ain't used to seeing no black ironworker welder, you know what I mean, on their crew. Because even the other guy said, man, you know, you rare. I bet I am rare. You know what I'm saying, to your motherfucking ass. You know what I'm saying? Man, I just ain't with kissing no ass for no check, man. I'd rather go figure it out. You know what? I know it's in me, so I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna make it happen, man. You know what I mean? I did this actually to open up a door because I was trying to invest in a few containers. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go on and knock this gig out. It'll give me the finances I need to purchase the containers I need to do the flip. That way I ain't got to worry about it no more. You know what I mean? I can go on and just hit the road and start getting the bag. So it didn't work out like that, man. And honestly, man, I'm humble, man. I can deal with anybody. But when it comes to kissing somebody's ass for some money, I am not going to do it. I'm just done with that, man. I'm past that shit. You know what I mean? Like, man, hell nah, bro. Man, this shit is fucking trip, man. I'm fucking 10, 11 hours away from home to come and deal with some fucking pricks, like some fucking assholes out of this fucking world. And, you know, people gonna promote that shit like it's 100. Oh, man, everything is good. Shit, man, that's bullshit, bro. That is bullshit. It's all good, though. I'm not even gonna trip on it. It was a very, very good learning experience for me. And this will be my last time. So y'all can mark my word on that shit. This will be my last time networking my time with a company. Going on the road, networking my time with a company, nah. And I got paid good for it, for this little piece of time I did. But I'm not doing that shit. I'm not kissing nobody's ass, man. You know what I mean? Like, I know it's in me to do some major things, and I'm gonna make this shit happen, man. I was meant for greatness, you know what I mean? Now I know. And I'm gonna make it happen, man. And I'm gonna make it happen without stepping on somebody's feet, without calling somebody a name, without trying to belittle somebody so I can feel better about myself. I'm not gonna do none of that shit. I'm gonna be who I am and build my businesses off of my loyalty and my work ethics and my knowledge. I'm not gonna step on nobody to get no fucking check. I'm not gonna belittle you or talk bad to you so you can feel some type of way. Nah, I'm not gonna do all that, man. I respect you as a man. You put your pants on just like me, male or female. So I'm not with all that, man. These folks, boy, today, man, I'm keeping it real with you, man. Some of these white folks has got fucking out of hand, man. They have got fucking out of hand, bro. They think that you supposed to kiss they ass. They think like they fucking shit do not stink, bro. Like, whew, you just don't know, bro. You know what I mean? They think they shit don't stink, man. And it's not all of them. So don't get it twisted. It's not all of them, but they know who they are. You know what I'm saying? And put it like this: it's more them that is like that than it is those that's not like that. You know what I'm saying? Majority of them just think fucked up, man. It's just fucked up. It's what it is, bro. You know what I mean? And today, bro, I done had all I can fucking take. Like, I can't take no more. Like, I can't take no more, bro. This shit is fucking ridiculous. Like, for real. Like, can't believe this shit, bro. I came way out here for this bullshit. Way out here for this bullshit. Go through these exams, taking these tests, doing little shit for some bullshit. Man, bro, you just don't know. Woo! It's a motherfucker. Let me show y'all a good scenery, though. Because this is one of the things to do and sparks, and it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show it to you while I'm out here right now. Maybe I need to look at something peaceful in a little bit, you know. Fucking shit, bro. Check this out, y'all. This is called the Marine Park. It's like a trail that goes all the way around. You can walk all the way around it. You can walk their dogs. You can get down there, you know. So it looks pretty cool. Dope little scenery. This is where I'm at. So, anyways, man, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna go upstairs, clean up, take a shower, and make preparations to get up out of here in the morning. Hold on.